Good day everyone, today is Tuesday, June the 7th. My name is Rafi Barajan, currency analyst at xm.com, here to provide you with your Forex news update. Fed Chair Janet Yellen gave little away yesterday as she spoke about the US economy at the World Affairs Council in Philadelphia. After much speculation as to whether Yellen would signal a rate rise in the coming months, investors were left disappointed from the lack of policy direction. Analysts interpreted this as there being little chance now of a rate rise in June, and that a July hike would be entirely dependent on the incoming data until then. Yellen did, however, give an upbeat assessment of the US economy and try not to draw too many conclusions from last Friday's weak payrolls data. The dollar fell slightly after Yellen's speech as expectations of a June-July rate hike receded, but was steady in Asian trading today. The greenback firmed against the yen as the focus now moves to the Bank of Japan, which meets a day after the Fed's meeting next week. The dollar edged up to 107.88 yen earlier today before easing slightly in later session. The euro was flat against the dollar around $1.1365 after briefly spiking up to 1 month's high of 1.1392 yesterday. The single currency was supported by better than expected industrial production figures out of Germany today. Industrial output in Germany was up 0.8% month-on-month in April, a significant rebound from the 1.1% drop seen in the previous month and above estimates of 0.7%. Sterling came off yesterday's lows as it was boosted by two new polls overnight that gave a small lead to the Remain camp. This helped calm market fears after several opinion polls in recent days had been pointing to rising support for Brexit campaigners. The pound was back above $1.45 in Asian trading today, up sharply from Monday's 3-week low of $1.4351. The best performing currency on Tuesday though was the Australian dollar, which was lifted by the Reserve Bank of Australia's not so dovish policy statement. As expected, the RBA kept its cash rate unchanged at 1.75% at its meeting today, but the accompanying statement carried a more neutral tone, which dampened expectations of another cut in the near term following May's surprise reduction. The Aussie rose to fresh 1 month highs against the US dollar in late Asian session and was last up almost 1% at 0.7438. Looking ahead to the rest of the day, Eurozone final GDP estimates for the first quarter will be the main data in the European session, while in the US session, labor costs and productivity will be watched in an otherwise quiet calendar day. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.